before I go there, I really wanted to share a number of stats because I think this just hammers home the issue that we can have with email and how it impacts our productivity or lack thereof. Typically, all studies have shown that we can spend up to a quarter or a third of our daily time on email, which is a significant chunk of time. Other studies have shown that some employees will check their email up to 36 times in an hour, which when you do the math, if you figure, maybe they spend 1 minute on each email, that leaves maybe 20 minutes an hour to do other work, which in essence is no time at all when you consider, phone calls and other tasks that need to be done, and of course, taking a coffee break here and there. So that really hammers home the need for better processes and strategies.